Welcome back to the channel, you guys. It is day 2 of the Gambler 500. We're just finishing making breakfast here. I'm gonna go do a quick walk around real quick of all the cars that are still here and came in last night. There's only like 25-30 cars that actually made it last night out of the almost 100 cars that were on this. So a lot of people died last night and did not make it here. We're gonna get the Pacer started up here in a bit. We might be doing a thermostat on it, but if not, we're gonna at least jack it up, check the hole underneath of it to see where we're leaking all of our transmission out. I think there's actually a pretty big hole under it, but I'll go do a quick walk around for you guys. It's day 2, another, I don't know how far, it's supposed to be another 250 miles, but we'll get the instructions here in just a bit, check out, see what our route is, and yeah, I'll go show you guys some cars. Alright, we're getting this jacked up. We're gonna check up where the battle housing is under there and see it, because we're pretty sure there's a hole in it somewhere. So we have a little JB weld we're gonna check, see if we can make it any better.
Alright, so here we are under the Pacer. We've got the engine, transmission pan, and there's our bell housing. You can see the flywheel and everything up in there. That hole's not supposed to be there. I think it looks like there's a crack that goes up the whole back side actually. What do you think?
Alright you guys, here's a cold start on a 75 AMC Pacer.
I dropped already all the yesterday.
Wait, who has the keys?
Oh.
I guess you can leave those.
We're in luck.
Parts. Oh, it's wet.
We have trans fluid.
Let me check. It's low. It's at the fill mark.
Alright, so we've managed to get it pretty much on empty, and so we're putting the last, how much is in there? Like quarter of a gallon?
All in. No, we won't dump it all in, but we're just right up to there. That was all in one fill yesterday.
We need that to get us a quick 200 miles, so.
13.4 miles per gallon.
Nice.
That's crazy.
Okay, yeah, we've been seeing that they were pretty dirty. This is exceptional. And so the police wouldn't stop you?
Oh, yeah.
It's legal, I mean it's registered, it's got blinkers, it's got lights, it's...
Germany, this could never happen. Well, have fun.
We got the Radillac, the Pacer, we made it all the way to Helper down there on Main Street.
Yeah, and by the time we heard everybody was down at the days, we'd already started.
This thing died, but it's going the whole way.
Almost got up on it.
Alright, we found the first steak of the day. Out of how many?
Is there 11 today? Something like that.
We got one, so we're accomplished.
Yeah, we're good.
We got a water crossing for you guys. It's super cool. It's right under the train tracks too. Our next stop is just like right up here. So we're gonna attempt the Pacer up that hill, but we're getting a tow. So we're hooking up to the Jeep and crossing our fingers that we make it.
Oh, make it.
Well, that we end up
everything out.
that we have an oil pan and transmission fluid when we get to the top.
Right.
This might be the death of the Pacer right here. Like, look at those rocks. These are huge. So we're getting towed up, and hopefully at the top of this hill we still have a functioning car after this, but we'll see. All right, here we go. Made it.
Jeez.
That was insane.
I only heard one little scrape.
That's what I'm here for, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
We just hang out here for a bit?
Yeah.
It's intentionally easier than yesterday so everybody can try to get back on time. So, if you want to try to get a head start, by all means, go for it.
Keep moving. In case we need something.
Okay, so we made it up the hill, and then that was our next checkpoint, that tunnel. We're trying to keep up with everyone. We're like one of 2 cars that have made it up here. So we're trying to keep up with everyone.
And the other car's
so
four-wheel
that,
drive.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. We're the only 2-wheel drive car up here right now. So we're trying to keep in front of everyone so that we have Jeeps to tow us if we need, but we're doing pretty good, so.
I love it. Oh my god, oh, big dip. Hang on. Oh, gosh. It's all good. Oh, I can't see. They're boiling over. All right. Woo! Glad to see you guys, man. Yeah.
All right, quick little update for you guys. We made it all the way over the backside of like Skyline Drive on the, let's see, on the east side of Fairview. So we're all the way up on top right now. We made it over. We're just kind of on the skyline right now. We're headed out to one more point. There's a river crossing we couldn't get through right here, and we're 0.1 from the next marker. So we're just gonna walk over to that next marker. But the car is still running amazing. We're very, very grateful for that. But yeah, we're just up here to this next marker, so we'll go check that out. We're looking for, I think it's a sticker on the back of a trailhead sign, so we're gonna go find that real quick. What stop was that one?
6.
This is 6 or 7. Skip one. Yeah, this is 6.
Well, we made it. How you guys feel?
I feel so good.
I feel good. I feel accomplished.
It's sport and stroke as much as you can do on an air-cooled motor, and biggest heads you can fit under this cooling system, like they're race heads.
That's pretty cool. Moves pretty good.
stay up. I started yesterday, you know, I just came to camp. Yeah, I just met up with my buddies.
So these guys received a lot of slack online for bringing a, you know, very expensive rally fighter, but they came out, they had a great time, they helped a bunch of people out, they gave people some JB welds. They weren't in it to win it, they were just out here to have a good time. I think as car culture people, I think we all appreciate jacked up car with the LS3 in it. I don't care who you are, that's cool. So we gave him the horse's ass horseship participation trophy for his efforts. So let's give him a round of applause. Yeah, we're gonna have a dance-off. Let's do a round of applause for the Furbies. How about the guys in the thing with the gun? Thing with the gun. Round of applause. The Pacer, they're dressed up as sharks. Pacer sharks, round of applause. I couldn't tell off my ears. So we're gonna do one last one. So guys with pants. Sharks. Alright, they're our winner. Coolest costume. There's 6 of you, there's unfortunately only one cooler. All of our winners, everybody that came out, all of you, round of applause for the whole team.
Okay, that is gonna do it for me on this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed both of those. If you didn't watch day 1, go back and watch that. It should be posted just before this. But yeah, that was a 2-day 500 mile. We did, how many did we end up doing?
We did 380 something.
So we did 380 miles in the Pacer, which 100 miles in that was a reward. So I feel like we did really good. But yeah, we just finished that, wrapped it all up. Hopefully we got 2 good vlogs out of this. If any of you guys do want to do this next year though, let me know. We're trying to put a little group together for it, bring a couple more cars on it. It's kind of fun to have like a group of friends rallying this. So let me know, it'd be cool to see some of you guys out there. But as far as this vlog goes, that is it. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.